Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to do keyword research, find the best keywords to target, and I'm going to tell you the exact amount of words you need to write for a certain keyword. And we are starting right now. So to do this, we are going to use this website, Ubersuggest. It is an SEO and keyword research platform. You can really use any website. You can use Ahrefs or SEMrush or whatever you want, but I like to give an example with this one because it has a free plan, and I think with a free plan you can do 3 keyword research every 24 hours. So we are going to use this one. So you are going to create an account here, free account, and when you log in, you'll be faced with this. So what normally do when people search for keyword, what they do is keyword here and keyword overview. Let's say, for example, we are searching for affiliate marketing and enter. So it gives you the keyword and the difficulty and the volume and everything. You can see other keywords idea related to affiliate marketing, and it will give you a list of all the keywords, the volume, the CPC, keyword difficulty, SEO difficulty, and paid difficulty. So that's what normally people do, but today we are not going to do that. We are going to find a website that we like and it is ranked on Google, and we are going to extract keywords from that website. Let me give you an example. Let's see as an example this website, HubSpot. So it is well-known website and it is ranked for a lot of keywords on Google. So what we are going to do, we are going to copy the website link. We are going to Ubersuggest and do traffic, then traffic overview. After that, what we are going to do here, we just paste the website and select the country. I like to keep it at United States because that's my market, and we do search. So when you search, it will give you all the stats, all the analytics of that website, and also it will give you the keywords and the keywords that are ranked on Google. So we are going to see here, view all the SEO keywords. It will give you all this list, and it is 5 pages, and there are a lot of keywords. So now you can actually search here for good keywords, but what I like to do, I like to export this to CSV file, export all. Then we are going to open that file and on Excel sheet, and this is the download. So we are going to rearrange it a little bit. The first column, we don't need it, we delete that, and we don't need the position and the traffic, we don't need that. So what we need is the keyword and the volume, how many people search every month for that keyword, and the SEO difficulty. And we are going to sort these keywords by SEO difficulty, and we are going to go from the smallest to the largest. So now these are the keywords here, and this is the volume, how many people search every month on Google for that keyword, and the SEO difficulty. Usually I like to go up to difficulty 15, but it's up to you. You can go higher than that. It depends on how strong your website is. So I'm going to separate this line here. So now if you can see here, all these are keywords with small number of difficulty. So for example, let's see this one, best channels on YouTube. So this it has 4,400 searches every month, and the SEO difficulty is only 7. So it is very easy to rank for that keyword, and you can see here all the keywords. So now this way we found good keywords to write about and try to rank on Google. So the next step is to choose a keyword and try to find out how many words we need to write about the keyword. So let's choose a keyword here. Let's say for example this one, best Google Chrome extensions. So let's copy this keyword, and we are going to use a website called, or a platform called, SurferSEO. So what we need to do here, this is actually a paid platform, but I think you have 5 days trial. You can use those free trial for 5 days, and you do as much as you can. Test some keywords. So here what we are going to do, we are going to do to go to content editor, and we are going to copy and paste that keyword, best Google Chrome extensions, and you select the country. I like to keep it as US here, and let's create content editor. After a minute or so, SurferSEO is going to analyze this keyword on Google, and it gives you all the analytics about it. So just click on it and wait a little bit. Here you go. So this is your editor. You can actually type. You can type and write here if you want. But the most important thing, what we need to know is about this keyword is here is the score. This is your overall SEO score is 26, because we don't have anything now except the title. But here you see, for this keyword you need to write 4,132 to 4,752 words, so somewhere in between that. And headings, you need at least 82 headings, and you need at least 173 paragraphs, and you need at least 39 images. So you just follow this, and also it gives you suggestion of some words to include in your article. And also another thing here, if you click on this customize button, it gives you all the websites that are ranked for that keyword. See, for example, this is position number 1. This is the website that we got that keyword from, and this is number 2, number 3, number 4, position 1, 2, 3, 4, and each one how many words they have. So SurferSEO is going to combine all these analytics, and it gives you the numbers, the average, in order for you to be able to rank on Google with that keyword. So also another thing is if you click on outline here, it gives you ideas for some headings, and you can actually use this, because this writings is unique to you. You can even test it. You try to search for this, you will not find, because this will be unique to you. So so that's it. Like, first we found good keywords to rank for, and second thing, we found out how many words we need to write, how many images we need to include, how many headings, how many paragraphs we need to include in our article. So that's it. If you got any value from this video, just like and share, and until next time, good luck.